Hey guys, Felicity here. Today I'm going to show you how I colored my hair like a boss. The products I used were Moisturizing Styling Cream by Main Choice, Split End Treatment Serum, also by Main Choice, Growth Oil by Main Choice, Argan Oil by Difeel Sunflower, and finally the star of the video, Purple Hair Paint Wax. So first I take some of that moisturizing styling cream and apply it to my hair. Then I squeeze some of the split end treatment serum into my hands and only apply it to the ends of my hair. Now I add some of the argan oil to seal in the moisture. And now I'll add some growth oil to my scalp. Now I'm going to pin some of my hair out of the way. Gonna untwist the bottom right section of my hair at the back of my head, then split it in half and pin one half up. I opened the hair paint wax and here's what it looks like. The texture does resemble wax in a way, but it's not really too thick, but not too thin either. So I'm going to start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up the hair shaft. It wasn't until I actually started putting the hair paint wax on that I realized I really liked the color and wanted it on all of my hair and not just the tips. Also, just adding the color was very therapeutic because it felt so smooth on my fingers. I got pretty close to the roots of my hair. So after applying a few layers of the color, you can clearly see the purple now for the most part. Gonna twist that section back up. Okay, so I'm at the front of my head now, so here will be a clearer view of the purple on my hair. Gotta make sure the front side of the section is colored too. Getting real close to my scalp again. It's done, so I'm gonna twist it up too. Okay, so I'm halfway done. Here's the curvy part showing the boundary of the purple section and non-purple section. Here's what the colored twists look like too. Gonna pin this half up out of the way and start on the other side now. Okay, so I finished the other side. They're all in twist and gonna stay in twist until tomorrow so they can dry until the color sets in. Gonna sleep with my satin lined bonnet, which happens to be purple as well, so if the color transfers I'll probably barely be able to see it. See you tomorrow, my dudes. Hey, so it's the next day and I'm about to take off my bonnet. Got my growth oil and I'm about to put some on my hand so that when I untwist my hair it makes it shine a little. Okay, so I'm done untwisting and the color barely transferred onto my hands. Here's a closer look so you can see how purple it is. Turned out really nice. I did get a little too close to my scalp with the color though because I was so excited. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!